So if you can see in the backside of me, there is a machine that's working on AI based, and this is working on object intelligence. And object intelligence works on three layers: focus vision, action sensing, and neuroscience and physics layers. And let me teach you how it's working on the machine. Let's go.
So we are Signler. We are a Bangalore-based startup. What you see here is random object pick. So this is our multi-arm general purpose robot. Our system has not been trained for any of these objects that you see here. Seeing the object for the first time, trying to learn about the object on the fly. In that process, it sometimes fails and tries again. So something similar to a human baby. When a baby sees an object for the first time, it doesn't know what that object actually is. But it still goes and grabs the object, manipulates, tries to learn about the object, have fun with the object. Something like this we are trying to achieve with our system.
So what's the mechanism it's using?
Yes. So
It's connecting to this computer.
yes, sir. So that is what you see, whatever the camera is actually seeing. So this is our camera system CLX, we call it. It's a stereo vision camera system. Two cameras are mounted on the motor to actually mimic human eye movement. So when human tries to see when a human sees an object, to get the depth, the eyeballs actually move and physically converge on the object.
Okay.
So that convergence will give me the depth of the object.
Okay, so there is a two parts here, eye and a picking hand.
Kind of, yes.
Okay, so there is any requirement of scanning the object, or it's directly like scan it with his eyes? Like I see, like you touch the phone, then it's up to you.
No, so I did like this because I was trying to see if the phone was not wide enough for the gripper. That's
Got you.
it. It just uses the camera system to see the object. No other scanning.
Thank you so much.